So here's a quick video tour of the Saigonnais Lounge at the International Terminal of Ho Chi Minh Airport here in Vietnam. So this is a contract lounge at Saigon Airport, and it's used by ANA, Asiana Airlines, Turkish Airlines, Japan Airlines, Emirates, Cathay Pacific, Qatar Airways, and the airline that we're flying on today, Singapore Airlines. And I believe it's also open perhaps to priority pass members. So there's a good selection of free food, snacks and drinks here, and there's free Wi-Fi, private washrooms, and lots of comfortable seating. So this lounge is good. It's certainly better than sitting in the terminal. However, I wouldn't consider it a great lounge, and not necessarily one that you would want to arrive several hours early at the terminal for. It's clean with plenty of seating and a good beverage selection and some interesting food. It's also got some very nice views of the tarmac and the aircraft. So I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Les Saigonnais Lounge here at Ho Chi Minh City Airport in Vietnam.